Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide and unhide posts from Facebook timeline. So if you have a particular post on your Facebook timeline you want to hide, or you have a particular post on your Facebook timeline you've hidden that you want to unhide, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to hide and unhide posts from your Facebook timeline, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Then click on your profile icon at the top left. Then here, scroll through the post you want to hide. So let's say this is a particular post I want to hide from my timeline. All you need to do is click on the three dots on the post. Then come here and choose Edit Privacy. Now, under Edit Privacy, locate and click on Only Me. So once you click on Only Me, this is going to make the post visible to only me alone, and all other users will be hidden from this particular post. Then go ahead and click on Done. Then you should see the post updated on my timeline, and this particular post will only be visible to me alone on my Facebook timeline. None of my Facebook followers and friends will be able to see this particular post because the post is hidden. Now, to unhide the post, you just need to repeat the same thing. Go to the Facebook timeline and select the post you want to unhide. Click on the three dots on the post. Then Edit Privacy, click on that. Come here and choose Public. Once you selected Public, go ahead and click on Done. And then hang on for the page to load. And once it reloads, then you should see the Facebook post appear on your timeline again. It's going to be visible to all users on Facebook, including your friends and followers. So that is basically how to hide and unhide posts from Facebook timeline. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.